When it comes to smartphones, the one choice that stirs the most debate between people is whether we should go with iPhone or Android. Each platform has its own set of unique features, catering to different needs and preferences. So I'll break down the key differences to help you decide which one is right for you. First, let's look at integration and ecosystem. iPhone users enjoy a seamless ecosystem, effortlessly syncing with Macs, iPads, and Apple Watches. This interconnectedness is a significant draw for those already invested in Apple's products. Android tries to keep pace with services like Google Drive and Assistant, but the seamless experience of Apple's ecosystems is hard to beat. So what about ease of use? iPhones are renowned for their intuitive interface, making them ideal for users who prefer simplicity. Android, however, offers more customization options. This means that you can tailor your device to your exact preferences, but it might come with a steeper learning curve. The next big one is hardware variability. In the hardware arena, Android offers a broad spectrum of devices, from budget-friendly models to high-end flagships. This diversity means more choices in features, sizes, and prices. iPhone, with its focused lineup, provides a consistent quality and user experience, but with less variety. So how do the operating systems compare? This is, of course, the thing that really splits the two systems. The operating system is the heart of your smartphone experience. iOS, known for its regular updates, uniform performance across devices, and long support cycle, contrasts with Android's wide range of customization options and variability in update speed depending on the manufacturer. Security-wise, iPhones have the upper hand due to Apple's stringent app vetting process and end-to-end encryption on many features. Android devices offer a more open ecosystem, but they can be more prone to security risks, though they also feature robust security measures. But what is a smartphone with no apps? App availability and quality are crucial. The Apple App Store is curated for quality and security, offering peace of mind but potentially less variety. Android's Google Play Store, plus the ability to install apps from other sources, provide a wider selection, but with an increased risk of encountering malicious apps. You might also find that some flagship apps, especially video games, will hit iOS first and then hit Android much later. Apple's tight integration across its devices offer unique conveniences, like using your iPhone to control your Apple TV or unlocking your MacBook with your Apple Watch. Android has a more fragmented ecosystem, though efforts from Google and other manufacturers aim to address this. How do these two types of operating system differ when it comes to virtual assistants? The battle of the virtual assistant sees Siri pitted against Google Assistant. While Siri integrates well within the Apple ecosystem, Google Assistant's ability to leverage Google's vast data make it more powerful for certain tasks. And you can also get other virtual assistants specific to some manufacturers such as Samsung. But how well they work really depends on the details of how that implementation has been done. For maintenance and repairs, Android devices often offer more flexibility for repairs and upgrades, such as replaceable batteries and expandable storage. iPhones, meanwhile, tout a streamlined approach that prioritizes device integrity and longevity, but can make repairs more costly or complex. Apple has started supporting right-to-repair initiatives, but that still doesn't make an iPhone cheap or easy to fix. Finally, pricing can be a deciding factor. Android covers the entire spectrum from budget to premium, offering something for every wallet. iPhones, synonymous with premium pricing, reflect Apple's focus on quality and ecosystem integration instead. The choice between iPhone and Android boils down to what you value most in a smartphone. If you prioritize a seamless ecosystem and robust security, the iPhone might be for you. But if you prefer customization, variety, and a broader price range, Android could be your best bet. Whichever you choose, both platforms offer compelling features that cater to different user needs. See you next time.